Good evening, one and all. My name is Nagendra. Today we are going to explain about method of least squares. In the method of least squares, there are four types. First one is straight line, and second one is parabola, and third one is exponential curve, and fourth one is power curve. Coming to the straight line equation is y equal to a0 plus a1x, and the normal equation for the straight line is sigma y equal to n into a0 plus a1 into sigma x. And coming to the second equation, sigma xy equal to a0 into sigma x plus a1 into sigma x square. Taking an example of straight line. Here the given straight line equation and the normal equation, and we have to solve the equations based on the question. Here sigma x, by adding all the x values and the same way the adding the y values and the xy values and x square values, substituting the x, sigma x, sigma y, sigma xy, sigma x square values in the equation in the normal forms. Sigma y n into a plus b into sigma x, sigma xy equal to a into sigma x plus b into sigma x square. Substituting the sigma x, sigma y, sigma xy, sigma x square values in the normal forms, here is the equations. 5a plus 15b plus 204. The second equation is 15a, here a 15, and we have to perform the addition operation on the calci. For those operations, here we have to click on the first mode option, second, and for the equation 1, unknowns are 2, and the even value is 5, equals to 15 equals to 204 equals to 15, 55, 748, and here the x value is 0 and y value is 13.6. Here is the equation 13.6 and y equal to 0, 13.6. The required equation, here we have to substitute in the straight line equation y equal to ax plus bx. Here are the required equation. The second example is second degree polynomial or the parabola equation. The normal equation forms are sigma y equal to n into a plus b into sigma x plus c into sigma x square. Sigma xy equal to a into sigma x plus b into sigma x square plus c into sigma x cube. And the third equation is sigma x square plus a into sigma x square plus b into sigma x cube plus c into sigma x power 4. The given x and y values. For squaring the x, for squaring of the x, we have the values of x square. By multiplication x and y, here is the values, and x cube. Multiplying the x value into 3 times. Multiplying the x square and y, here is the result, and x power 4. The x, sigma xi value, sigma yi, sigma x square, sigma xy, sigma x cube, sigma x square y, sigma x power 4 values. By substituting the values in the equation 2 or the normal forms. Here are the equations: a equal to minus 8.72 and b equal to 3 and c equal to minus 6.9. The required second degree polynomial is and third example is exponential curve. The exponential curve basic formula is y equal to a into e power b power x. The exponential curve, applying log on both sides, log y equal to log a plus log into bx. Log y equal to a and log a equal to capital A. Log b equal to b, x is equal to x. Here is the equation. This is, and the normal equations for the equation 1 is sigma y n into a plus b into sigma x, xy a into sigma x plus b into sigma x square. Writing the answer for the tabular form xy. For the logarithmic option, we use calc for the logarithmic option. For example, here ln, the y value is 2.4, the option is 0.75, 0.75. Taking all the values on the calc and writing here xy, multiplying xy value and x square, substituting the sigma x, sigma y, sigma y, sigma xy, sigma x square values and substituting the values in the equation 2. Here is the results. A equal to 4.522 and b equal to 0.074. And the last example is power curve. The power curve equation is y equal to a into b power x. Applying log on both sides. Log y equal to log into a power ab into power x. Here are the normal forms. Sigma y equal to na into b into sigma x. Here n is the number of points. By adding x and y values, we obtain the x into y terms. And squaring the x values, here is the result. Substituting the sigma x, sigma y, sigma xy, sigma x square values in the equation 2, we get the result. 5a plus 30b plus equal to 17.27. 30a plus 220b equal to 22.164. On solving on the calc, using calc, here the a equal to 0.405 and b equal to 0.5. For the power curve, here is the result. A equal to log a into base e. Here a b values are 0.405 and 0.5. Substituting into the log a into base e, the obtained equation is abx, and the result is 1.499 into 1.649 into x. Thank you.